Hi all.
Actually, this will be an experimental video.
So this is my first time recording in front of a...
I'm going to be reviewing a product.
I had been blabbering about it. Finally, I got...
3, 2, 1, let's go. Hi everyone. So, I'm in a new locality here. We had just come for a ride for Bangalore airport. So, just, riding in the roads. This will not be a normal moto vlog. Actually, this will be an experimental video. I'm going to be reviewing a product which I recently bought for the moto vlogging.
Hi all. So this is my first time recording in front of a video. Let me just quickly show you my moto vlog setup.
So till now I only had two setups. One, an action camera to capture the video.
I was using a GoPro Hero 11 camera. So you can see this. So it's a GoPro Hero 11. It's an action camera. It comes with this box, and also I'll show you the camera real quick. So this is the camera. Yeah, so it comes with different types of holders where you can mount it. I basically chin mount it to my helmet, so it sits here and I can record the video. I got this from my cousin. It's his, so it was very nice of him to give me his GoPro to start my moto vlogging actually. So thanks Harish bro.
And one mic to capture the audio.
For the mic setup, I got a DJI mic mini. Actually I got that from US. My friend is staying there, so he got me this mic. It was a bit of a hassle, like that mic did not get delivered on time, but he had flown back. Then he got it from somebody else who came to India. But anyhow, he bought it for me. So Shushabai, thanks.
So recently I bought one more addition for my motovlog setup.
You might have seen that I don't have an ND filter. I have been blabbering about it like I don't have an ND filter.
I still don't have an ND filter. I should get an ND filter. I don't have an ND filter yet.
Finally, I got an ND filter. This is from ELFOG.
And now I want to test this ND filter. So I came on an afternoon, but seems like there's not much of sunlight today. The atmosphere is a little cloudy, and I'm going to record. I'm going to show you guys how an ND filter works and why is it for. So primarily, why do we need an ND filter for an action camera? We need ND filter because in the action camera setup, I have adjusted shutter speed, ISO and a frame rate as such that I get a good amount of motion blur when I'm riding through traffic or maybe riding as it is. So what happens if I don't have an ND filter? When there is so much of sunlight, there is sunlight coming right to my face, it actually has a lot of exposure. What do you mean by exposure? It just complete whiteness in the picture that you capture, right? So it actually emits so much of exposure because of that ISO setting. So I needed an ND filter for sunny days like this. So I bought a ELFOG ND filter which costed me around 2.5k. I had thought of getting Telsin and KNF concept ND filters, but Telsin ND filters was not available and KNF was not in my budget.
It is written as Telsin, but I am not sure if this is actually Telsin or not, because I looked for Telsin brand but it was not there. So I got from ELFOG. I think it is a copy of Telsin or not, I don't know.
Basically, ND filters are a sunglass to your action camera. When you have that kind of a setup where the exposure is too much, you need a sunglass to cut down the excess exposure that you get.
This comes with 4 ND filters. So you can see here, it comes with 4 ND filters. You can see a CPL, ND filter 8, 16 and 32.
Right now I am using ND 16 filter. So what is that? It's just a more shaded sunglass to your action camera.
A few moments later.
So this is how ND 16 works, how things will display. I'll quickly take out the ND filter. Now I have taken out the ND filter. There's no filter to my camera right now. Now you should be seeing a little bit of whiteness, like the exposure is more.
Five minutes later.
Now we have an ND8 filter. I don't know how well the difference is visible because there's not too much of sunlight today. See, it's 1:30 in the afternoon and there should be at least a little bit of sunlight.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Now some of CPL footages. I'm just trying to see how well it captures in the different types of ND filters.
Meanwhile,
ND 32 filter. So yeah, this was the video about. It was a review video of my newly bought ND filters. So I wanted to do this and check how everything comes out. So if you like this, if you found this video informative, please like the video, share it to other people. If people are buying a ND filter for their action camera, especially for GoPro, this particular ND filter supports for GoPro Hero 10, 11 and 12. So it's pretty handy, I guess. I hope you have liked the video and let me down in the comments below that which ND filter is best for capturing videos. Alright, see you guys in another next video.